Flower. Flower. Looks like and sounds like. Hour and sour. Looks like but doesn't sound like. For, pour, and your. We also have these other words in the same group. Hour, but sometimes we can say ah, especially if we speak quickly. And tour, but some people say tour. Flower. And that's the same sound but a different spelling to this flower. Flower. Here's my dough that I'm going to bake. And that's dough, which sounds like go, with the same spelling and sound as though and although. But the OUGH is one of the trickiest spellings around. So we also have other pronunciations, like the or sound in bought, brought, fought, thought. We have the oo sound in through, and the schwa in the sound thorough. We also have words where the GH sounds like an F, like enough, rough, tough, and cough. So my bread's now cooking in the pot in the oven. And this is one of those English words where we spell it with the letter O, and so you might think that we say it as O, oven, but actually we say it as which is the sound in fun, oven. And English has lots of these annoying words where we are using the letter O but we say so there's too many to put into this video, but some other similar words which are useful in the kitchen are the letter O in honey and this, the first letter O in onion. And here's the finished bread. Bread. EA spelling sounds like in dead, head, red in the past, ready and steady. But of course the normal or the more common pronunciation of EA is the E sound in eat, meet, read, mean, and squeak. We have an even less common A sound in break and great. And if we add the letter R, we get ear, near, and year.